Welcome to Bar India News Hour, the state of artificial intelligence in India. Artificial intelligence, a field of data science that educates computers to learn from experience, has been evolving for more than 60 years. In the past few years, both Indian private and public sector companies and the central and the state governments have invested in multiple AI use cases across diverse application areas. In fact, AI is already transforming the operational, functional and strategic landscapes within various industry sectors. The scope and role of AI is also expanding. Organizations are infusing more of their enterprise applications and processes across functions with AI. As AI technologies proliferate, businesses looking to maintain a competitive edge must start developing and leveraging these capabilities. Nearly half of the respondents to a survey view AI as critically essential for their businesses. Startups and established players alike are using AI and ML to tap into new opportunities. The report outlines AI technologies are going to discover new insights to drive business growth. In terms of achieving these outcomes, 37% reported success in discovering new business insights and 41% are able to enhance their existing products and services. According to a NASSCOM report, data and AI could add 450 to 500 billion US dollars to India's GDP by 2025, representing 10% of India's 5 trillion US dollar economy aspiration. The fact is, there is significant impact of AI investment on both the demand and supply sides. In a recent survey by Deloitte states, executives from different industries driving AI initiatives within organizations of various sizes helps to assess the extent and nature of use of AI technologies across such organizations. We need to understand the impact of AI on the people and processes at these organizations, their preparedness for various associated risks, and the benefits they expect or have achieved from AI. The report further states, startups are in a position to use AI for high-impact areas such as building customer relationships, creating new products and services, and enabling new business models right from the inception. This gives startups a competitive edge at a crucial stage of their life cycle. A smaller size, flexible operations, and innovation-friendly learning culture enables a majority of the startups to achieve payback on AI investments within a 2-year time horizon. Finally, AI maturity is a combination of the number of successful AI implementations undertaken and the duration for which they have been using some form of AI techniques. Let's look into today's headlines in Bar India. RBI extends deadline for KYC update till March. The Reserve Bank of India has extended the relaxations given to banks on bank accounts till March 31, 2022 due to COVID situation. The RBI has now asked banks not to impose restrictions on such accounts where KYC updation is due. Earlier, this relaxation was given till December 31. Regulated entities have to carry out periodic updation of KYC of existing customers, and accounts failing to comply are subject to restrictions on operations. Alibaba in talks to sell Weibo stake to SMG. Alibaba Group Holding Limited is in talks with a state-owned conglomerate about a potential deal involving its stake in Weibo Corporation. China's e-commerce leader is exploring options for its roughly 30% slice of the Twitter-like social media service. The discussions and technology giant and Shanghai Media Group could lead to the latter purchasing all of Alibaba's stake in Weibo. Weibo is among the most influential and controversial of Alibaba's media holdings. Binance Coin surpasses Bitcoin Ether by gaining 1300% this year. The third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Binance Coin gained 1344% this year, far outperforming Bitcoin's 73% and Ether's 455%. The massive growth of the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem can be credited to the rise of the coin ticker BNB. The BSC, which took some market share from Ethereum, enables users to build their decentralized apps and digital assets on one blockchain, among others. ED summons Amazon India VP in Forex norms violation case. The Enforcement Directorate has reportedly issued summons to Amazon India Vice President Manish Tiwari to its Delhi headquarters in relation to alleged Forex norms violation case against the e-commerce giant. The investigative agency is examining alleged violation of the Foreign Exchange Management Act when Amazon pumped in Rs 1,431 crore to acquire 49% stake in Kishore Bayani-led Future Coupons Private Limited in 2019. Amazon and Future Group are in a legal battle after the Future Group signed a Rs 24,500 crore deal with Mukesh Ambani-led Reliance Retail to sell its assets on a slump sale basis. Microsoft to launch a new Teams update to stop miscommunication. Microsoft is working on a new update for its Teams video conferencing software that will make it even easier for users to get their ideas across to the participants. TechRadar reports that this new update will allow users to see the participants in a new video call and the messages in chat simultaneously. This new feature will allow all the participants to check the chat sent during a meeting in front of the room display in the Teams room. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India News Magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.